So hi guys, today I'm back again with a new video. I hope we all are doing well and safe at our place. So without a further ado, let's start the video. Well guys, this requested video is all about pollination, wherein the topic which we'll be covering in this video are A. Part of flower, B. Bisexual and monosexual flowers, C. Pollination, D. Process of pollination, E. Self and cross pollination. I hope you all found this video helpful and I thank you all for requesting your video and getting your concepts clear with clearing concepts, as I'll be more than happy to make your requested video and eliminate your doubts by clearing them with my set of teaching practices. That's all I want to convey. So now let's start the वीडियो। सो गाइस, सबसे पहले जो हम पार्ट कवर करने वाले हैं वो है पार्ट्स ऑफ अ फ्लावर। सो अब आते हैं पार्ट्स ऑफ फ्लावर में चार सब पार्ट्स जो है कैलिक्स, करोला, androecium and gynoecium. So guys, let's start with the calyx. Guys, it's the outermost wall of the flower. Now calyx is the technical term for a group of sepals, leaf-like structures that surrounds and protects the bud as it forms into a flower. Talking about its function, so its main function is to protect the flower in the bud stage. Moving to the next sub part, which is nothing but corolla. So now corolla attracts pollinators to the plant with its vivid coloring and interesting scents, except for in the case of flowers that are pollinated by the wind. Wind pollinated flowers have not need to involve to attract birds or insects for the survival of the species, and therefore the corollas are often plain or dull. The functions of corollas are to attract insects that help the process of pollination. Starting with the third most part is the androecium. The stamen is the male reproductive organ of a flower. Each stamen contains two main parts. The filament is the long cylindrical tendril part of a stamen, while the anther is a sac that sits at the top of the filament. The function of the filament is simply to hold up the anther, extending up to an accessible part of a flower for pollinators reach or for the winds to disperse the pollen. Now talking about the functions of androecium, so the stamen is the male reproductive unit of a flower. Now moving to the fourth subpart, which is gynoecium. It contains of three subparts, which is stigma, style and ovary. Starting with stigma, so now stigma sits at the top of carpel and its job is to capture pollen. It is often sticky in texture or contains tiny hair-like structures to help pollen adhere to its surface. Starting with the style. So now style is the elongated part of a carpel that joins the ovary to stigma. It is a tube through which pollen is delivered to the ovary. Now ovaries are nothing but it produces and contains unfertilized seeds. It sits centrally inside the flower at the base of the carpel. Once fertilized, it is the ovary that develops into the fruit of a plant. To each and every part which I have talked about, there exists a diagrammatic view where you can actually find where exactly which subparts are located. So you may use it for your references and to understand it better. So now with this we end up with our part A, and now moving with part B, which is bisexual and monosexual flower. So guys, first we'll learn about the bisexual flower. So these flowers contains both the male and female reproductive part. Those are stamen and pistil of plant. They are also called complete flowers. For example, you can take is tulip, rose, hibiscus, etc. So guys, with this I would like to end this video here. उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा और हेल्पफुल हुआ होगा. And if you found this video relevant and interesting, do give it a big fat thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Until then, stay happy, stay blessed and love nature.